Hey, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our little corner of creativity. I'm Sophia, and I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. If you're anything like me, you believe that your home should be a reflection of your unique style and personality. And today, we've got something truly special for you. A comprehensive guide to shabby chic entryway and hallway home decor ideas. I hope you will enjoy exploring this enchanting world. We've covered everything from distressed furniture to vintage accents, turning your entryway and hallway into a charming haven. Now, as we wrap up this journey together, I want you to remember that creating a home you love is not just about aesthetics. It's about crafting spaces that resonate with your soul. I hope you find inspiration and ideas that spark your creativity. Before you go, here's a little life lesson for you. Just like in decorating, life can sometimes get a bit messy, but it's in those imperfections that true beauty emerges. Embrace the quirks and the bumps in the road and let them add character to your journey. If you enjoyed our Shabby Chic adventure today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's like giving your living space a virtual high five. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our wonderful community. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Your support means the world, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep decorating, keep dreaming, and always remember, life's a journey. Embrace the shabby chic it all.